We're going to go ahead and add some fonts and then make some section definitions for our headline and text setup. I'm going to add the fonts by choosing them here in my section tab under Manage Fonts. I'm going to just choose a few fonts here. I think I'll choose just a couple fonts. Now, at this point, I have a font set. Times New Roman, Times will be in your font set by default. If you don't want to have it in your font set, you'll want to remove it. You'll also want to designate a default font so that there is the font that will be used. You go ahead and save this font set. And then when I go to Pages, I'm going to get to my section. In this case, I don't have any, I just have one section master. If I had multiple sections, I would go to each section or just the section master. And I'm going to set up my default section font. So I'm going to go to my section definition. And I'm going to say, for my headline, I'm going to say Chantilly Heavy. And I'll pick 48, and I will do a 42 leading and a nice red color. Click Apply. For my subheading, just to make things different so that everybody can see what I'm doing, I'll do a 24, and I'll keep that leading. I'll make that green. This should be very colorful. The body copy, I'll make a 12. So you can set these up. You have 6 to choose from. Make your decisions that make sense. You can go back and alter these, but they won't update automatically on your pages the same way they would, say, in InDesign. But they will update the text pretty easily, which I'm going to show you. So we're going to save this default. I'm going to open a page. So I'm going to add a text box. If you had templates and you save your templates, you'd want to label them. So I'm going to add, just going to type in here headline. Now this is going to go in my default font automatically. But if I right click or control click and push label text area and choose headline, nothing actually happens until I click in the box. And then you can see that I'll get my headline text. If it will go to my default body text automatically, which we decided, but my subheadline, again, you need to click in the box. So you can type in anything, label your text area, and it will change this. Let's say, nope, I really think that this is going to be my panel. You can make any attributes. You can make color. You can change these attributes as you see fit, change them up. If I'll go to headline, subheadline, you do have to click in there, but it then changes all of that the font attributes quite quickly, and that brings them consistent throughout your whole project. So that's how you make your section definitions, and this will stay the same for all of the pages throughout the section. It's a way to keep your book nice